yo, hey, yo, it's Joe. And guess what? You won't believe it. Guess what's on my neck? A dog tag! Yeah, baby, it says my name on it. Treasuring this thing for a long. Peace around the love. I died. Okay, so I got myself a doggy tag. If you have a doggy tag, nice. If you don't, go buy one. So but oh, fudge. Let's play hide and seek. Ready? You count. Count to 10. 1. Wait, no, never mind. Count to 15. Ready? Get set. Go. Ready or not? Here you come. "14 hours later." Ha ha, you didn't find me that whole time. Pure fail, dude. Pure sadness.